phosphorus. The precise balance of these agents is crucial. We maintain a constant pH level to ensure the
equilibrium. Monitoring the chemical equilibrium is paramount. Our automated systems adjust the mixture in real time, ensuring every batch is refined and tested for texture and strength. Every batch is refined and tested for texture and strength.
Check the grain direction on this section.
It's off by a few degrees. We need to realign before the cut.
The grain matches the schematic here.
Yes, but check this section. We need to align it perfectly or the pattern breaks.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility. Every product is checked before leaving the facility. And that's how snake leather jackets are made, fur part of time, from start to finish. And that's how snake leather jackets are made. I hoofd put it through there, from start to finish.
This one is definitely a python. Look at the diamond pattern.
Yes, grade A. The cobra skins go over there.
The thickness on this one is incredible. Anaconda, definitely.
Agreed. The stripes on the cobra are much smoother.
Look at the chroma reading here.
The crimson is absorbing faster than projected. Adjust the temperature.
Watch the weight on that one.
Yeah, I got it. This is the last pallet for this truck.
Move that pallet to truck 7. Copy that. Moving now.